Hello everyone, how are you? Today our lesson is so nice. It will be about sorting and counting. We will sort shapes, we will sort objects, and we're counting how many objects and shapes for each group. So here is Ms Noura. We will gonna take lesson 6 and cover page 334 and 343 homework 341, sorry, and homework 131, 132. Let's start. Here in our objectives, we gonna sort and organize data, ask and answer questions about the data. So here is we have to sort and organize. Let me say sort, sort. The essential question in this lesson here, the important question is, how do we sort data? You know the meaning of data? Data is information. I collect information by asking people what they like. For example, how many shapes with the blue color or how many shapes of rectangles. So here I'm collecting data. So data is information. We sort data by counting each group of data together and writing the total of each group in a table. So we will make tables and sorting objects. The new word we're gonna learn here is sort and count. Let me say sort, count. Again, sort, count. Let's start now. Can you see these lovely shapes? Ah, excellent. They are circles and rectangles. Here I have different circles and rectangles in different color, two colors. What are the colors? Perfect. They are yellow and green. And can you notice we have different size? So here I want to sort the object by three groups. The first two groups, sorting by color. The other group, sorting by shape. And finally, sorting by size. So let's start with the first one, sorting by color. Can you see how many colors? Yes, we have two colors. They are yellow and green. So how many shapes with yellow color? Perfect. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many shapes with green color? Exactly. 4 also. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have two groups of colors. 4 shapes with yellow and 4 shapes with green. Let's see and sorting by shape. How many shapes can you see? Perfect. I can see two shapes. The first one is circle. The other one is the rectangle. Let's see and count how many circles we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 circles. How many rectangles? 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. So here, by sorting with shape, I have two groups. The first group is circles. The other group is rectangles. The last one is by size. Can you see these circles and rectangles are not in the same size? Some of them are big and the other are small. So let's see how many small shapes that we have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 small shapes. How many big shapes do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 large or big shapes. So I sort my object by size with 2 groups. This is my answers. Here is my color, 2 groups. Here is all the objects are in the same of the color, and here is all of them are yellow. By shape, all the group here are rectangles, and all the group here is circles. By size, all the objects here are small, and all the objects here are big. So that's the lesson. It is I'm sorting, then I'm counting. If I told you how many objects are small, if I'm counting by size, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 objects are small. Let's go and get another example. Here is we have flowers. Can you see in this purple flower how many petals that you have? The petals means the part of the flower. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the purple flower has 6 petals. What about the green flower? How many petals does the green flower have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the green flower has 5 petals. So I'm sorting. How many by type? How many with 6 petals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many with 5 petals? 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is my object. This is my answer. It is I have 4 flowers with 5 petals and 5 flowers with 6 petals. So my sorting here is by the type. Let's go and get another example. The question is, color the images below so that they are grouped correct. So the first group I have to color with the same color, and the other group I have to color with the same color. That means the triangle and heart and star should be in one color. The sun and the circle and the lightning here also in the same color. I choose for here red and for here yellow. So I have now 2 groups sorting by color. The first group I have 3 objects with red. The other group I have 3 objects with yellow. That's so easy. Let's go and see another example. Yes, here it is. I have 2 groups. They said, complete the sentence below. The pencils have been sorted by. Can you ask yourself, these pencils sorted by what? By size, by object, or by shape? Let's see size. Size means that we have here a group with different sizes. Here are these, all of them, short or tall, or here are of these, short or tall. If I'm sorting by object, do they have different objects here, or all of them are pencils? Yes, all of them are pencils. If I'm sorting by shape, all the pencils, can I see they have the same shape? But what's the difference here? Perfect. It's the size. So here I have 3 short pencils, and here is I have 3 long pencils. Let's try another example. Here is I have many kinds of fruits. How had the fruit been sorted? Are they sorted by color? No, because here I have a strawberry with red, and here the apples are with red. So they are not sorting by color. So I can tell you that I'm sorting this group by color. If I'm sorting by color, I should put the apple with the strawberry with the red group. Did I sort, for example, by size? No, because you can see the apple size is the same or equal to the banana size. What about my sorting? Yes, excellent. I'm sorting the group by the type. Here is I have strawberry, here is I have bananas, and here is apples. So the type, that means each group has different type of fruits and different taste. That's right. Let's see now. There is a mistake. I make the sorting, but my teacher told me you have a little mistake here. Can you notice what the mistake is? Here is I have 2 groups sorting by shapes, or 2 groups sorting by colors. Here I have blue stars, and here I have orange hearts. Amazing! You can see that the star, the bottom star here, should not be with the hearts. It should go to where? To the other group, number 1. And that's the answer would be I have 6 stars with 4 hearts. The group number 1 with 6 objects, and number 2 with 4 objects. That's right. It is. I have 2 friends. They are Mark and Ella. Mark and Ella are sorting the clothes into groups. Here I have dresses and t-shirts. Mark said, we can sort the clothes into 2 sizes. Ella said, we can sort the clothes into 2 positions. Who is correct? Let's go back to the objects. Did we have different sizes? Right. The dresses are small, the t-shirts are big. So Mark is right. Let's check Ella's. She said that the by position. Can you see this dress is normal? Here is it's turned in the right. Here is turning to the left. Here is to the other position, and also the t-shirt. Can I sort the object by position? They have 2 positions only? No, they are all of them in different positions. So Mark is correct, because the clothes can be sorted into size. They cannot be sorted by position, and they are all in different positions. Let's go now to your book. It's page 347. I bring my pen and let's read together. Clara asked some of her friends to name their favorite flower. Write the number of people that choose each flower. We have the first flower tulip, the other rose, and the last one lily. How many people love to leave? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 like to leave best. What about the rows? How many people like rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 like rows best. What about the lily? 1, 2, 3. 3 like lily best. Then first question. Which flower did the most people like best? Which is the greater number for each group? I have here is 4, and here is 6, and here is 3. Exactly, it's 6. So, what the flower for number 6? It's a rose. Excellent. So I write rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. How many more people like the rose better than lily? Here is I comparing how many more. When I comparing between two objects, my plan is amazing, is subtraction. So I have to bring the rose and lily. What are the rows? The rows is 6 and lily 3. When I want to subtract, what the first number I write? Amazing, the greater. So here is 6 minus 3. Use your mind. 6 minus 3. Amazing. It's a 3. So the difference between the rose and the lily flowers is 3. Let's go to the next. Here is sort the crayons. Color 1 crayon in the chart for each crayon in the picture. I guess they did it for us. Let's check. How many reds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So red is 8. What about the blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing. What about the green? 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's continue the question. Here, question number 1. How many colors are red? It's so easy. I just go back to the red colors and count the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many crayons are blue? Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just counting. How many crayons are green? So here I'm counting the green crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many crayons are there in all? Perfect. I have to add them. I have to add them. So let's add them. It's 8 plus 5 plus 4. Let's do it. 4 and 5 would be 9. 9 and 8. Put the greater number in your head. 9 and count with your finger. After 9, 8 fingers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Perfect. The answer is 17 crayons. Now we draw and color the crayons in order from least to the most. They did it for you. The least is green for green, and the most is 8 red, and in between it's 5 blue. Let's continue. Here is the question. Piper asked her friends about their favorite vegetables. Write the totals. We have the first one, which is peas. You know the peas, the green with seeds, carrots, and corn. These are three kinds of vegetables. Let's see how many people like these the most. One, two. How many people like carrots the most? One, two, three. How many people like corn the most? One, two, three, four. The next question. How many more people like the most favorite vegetable than the least favorite vegetables? Here I'm asking how many more. How many more means subtraction? How many more means subtraction? How many more means subtraction? Your plan when you want to compare between two things, you have to subtract. You have to subtract. But here is a tricky question. You have to find the favorite vegetable and the least favorite vegetable. The most and the least. Where is the most? Exactly, with this star. The most is the corn. And where is the least? The least in the sad face. Here is the least because the least has two and the most has four. So let's find the difference. Did I say 2 minus 4 or 4 minus 2? Yes, teacher, we put the great number first. It's so easy. 4 minus 2, it's 2. I found the difference between the least and the most. Let's go to the next. Here is Roth asked her friend about their favorite school subject. School subject. What the school subject? Your math, English, science, Arabic, Islamic, all of these are school subjects. Write the names in the table. Sorry. So let's see now. Here at the first we have three subjects. Here is we have math, science, and reading. Let's see. Suki loves math, so I write Suki here. Let's see the next. Third, reading. Where is reading here? So I write the name of the student. Ray, reading. So I don't write reading, sorry, I will write Ray. Bring it's A-Y. Yes. Alice, science. So here is Alice. Carla, math. Terry, science. Bernard, yes, it's math. Brenda, it's math. Laurie, science. Mark, math. Brain, reading. This is N. Krista, math. Ellie, science. Okay, now I have to count how many students love or like math the most. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. Okay. How many students like science best? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many students like the reading best? 1, 2, 3. How many did not like how many did not like science the best? How I would do this one? Let's see. How many people like science? 4. And how many didn't like science? Both students here and here. So I have to count the students in math and reading. That means these students didn't like science. So let's count them. Here is I have already 5 and here is 3. 5 and 3. Perfect. It's 8. So here is the how many students don't like science. Now here is the vocabulary check. To means to place things that are alike in groups. What I will do when I want to put things in groups? Did I count or sort? Amazing. So it's sort. So to sort, means to place things that are alike in groups. So say with me, sort is put the place in a group. So put things in a group or place things in a group. Again, sort is place things in a group. Place things in a group. Sort is place things in a group. Perfect. Here is your homework. I just read it for you. Here is Yori has collection of toy cars, trucks, and vans. Sort the toys. Draw a line from each toy to the name of the item below. Here is we have different pictures for toys. Here is we have car, truck, and van. If I want to see how many cars, I just draw a line. See? You have to do the same for all the objects. First question, how many toy cars does Yuri have? Count for me the cars. How many toy or trucks? Count for me the trucks. And how many toy vans? Count for me the vans. Here is Manuel asked his friend about their favorite hobby. Hobby is something you love to do, not studying. For example, my hobby is to drawing picture. My hobby is for baking cake. So this is a hobby you love to do it. Right? Total number of people who like each hobby best. We have the sport. We have watching TV. It's not a hobby. I don't know. And video game. I don't love these hobbies. Sport is the best. So how many people love sport? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and write for me the answer. The same will be here and there. The next question, which hobby did the most people like best? Which the greatest number, you have to write it here and write the number for it, the word for it. How many more people like sports better than the watching TV? Here is you have to subtract. How many people like something else better than sports? So I have to count the people that don't like sports. So I have to count the video and for the watching TV. Here is Mickey asked her friend about dogs. They do it at home. Write the totals, answer the question. Here is pick up toys. Here is pick up clothes. And the last one is drying the dishes. Complete it and you have to do it. This is the lesson for today, sweetie. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.